Besides citizen-targeted terror attacks stemming from racially or politically motivated conflicts in Pakistan, bringing about high civilian casualties, human rights violations of the ethnic, religious and cultural minorities in Pakistan continue. Daily occurrences of violence against Pashtuns in Fata region, Shias in Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochs in Balochistan are progressing towards genocide of these minorities in these regions. They suffer greatly at the hands of terror organization, military and the government itself. Increased enforced disappearances, kidnappings, use of child soldiers, shootouts in public places, stabbings and other forms of violence aim at ethnic cleansing for changing demography in the region. In a recent interview with India Narrative, Muhammad Sharif Khan, leader of Gilgit-Baltistan Awami Bedari Tehreek, said, "There are reserves inside Gilgit-Baltistan which belong to the people of Gilgit-Baltistan unless a decision is made on its status, which should be made by the local population and not by the political parties in Pakistan." Pakistan has received immense international condemnation. However, it seems to be falling on deaf ears. Apart from economical violation of the ethnic people in Gilgit-Baltistan, the joint project of Pakistan-China, CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, will bring the regional people under a double colonial rule. The future of minorities hangs by the thread in the hands of Pakistan and China, two nations known for human rights violations of minorities, especially after Xi Jinping became the General Secretary of the Communist Party of China in 2012. Daily reports of human rights violation have been surfacing from China in the form of violence and humiliation in detention camps, kidnappings and disappearances, grim conditions of orphans from minorities, ethnic identity and language bans, forced labor, forced sterilization, forced feeding of pork to Uyghur Muslims. 39 countries have condemned China over their policies in Xinjiang and recent developments in Hong Kong. Besides Uyghurs, China is also accused of human rights abuses on Tibetans and Mongolians. Xi Jinping is attempting to sinicize Buddhism against the aspirations of Tibetans. Recently, China has imposed language ban in South Mongolian schools where teachers and students cannot speak their own mother tongue. By China's own admission in a leaked document, around 8 million Uyghurs have been sent to detention camps. Even with new reports flooding in, China continues with its trade denial policy on the matter, even after being condemned by the international community and its imports being sanctioned by US for using slave labor.